Welcome to Safubafo's Poultry Farm, quality with affordability. Sometimes I hear people saying that if your parents are poor, you will definitely become poor. Others also say that getting rich is based on luck, or you have to gamble before you can become rich. A friend of mine also told me that before you can become rich, you have to cheat your way out. All these mindsets are wrong mindsets. There is no truth in these mindsets. Anybody who thinks that he can cheat others to enrich himself would only end up deceiving himself. Being broke is a temporary state, but being poor is a state of the mind. It is how you think. It is your mindset. The only secret or the only medicine for becoming rich is by providing a service or a product which is useful and needed and does not violate any of the 10 commandments of God, and your ability to produce it in large quantity, because profit is in numbers. Getting rich is a formula. It is not a magic or mystery. It is not based on luck or lottery or where you were born. The word rich means different things to different people. How do you define rich? Define it and go for it. In one of my videos that I did 3 years ago, I predicted what you are seeing today. How come I predicted something in 2017 and in 2020 it has become a reality? 1 + 1 in Ghana is 2, and 1 + 1 in China is also 2. If you follow the principles and the formula for getting rich, you would probably become rich. All this Mikasa Tintini is to encourage you to go for your dream, to go for your goal. Everything is possible. You can achieve it. The best time to plant tree was 20 years ago. And the second best time is now. The only juju or medicine for becoming rich is by providing a services or product which is useful and needed and does not contradict any of the rules and regulations of the Creator, and your ability to produce it in large quantity, because profit is in numbers, and without forgetting quality and efficiency. A man is not credible if he promises everything. Right now, you may have 1,000 goals, but choose one and work on it, and it shall become reality. Success takes time, so it is advisable to start now. Choose one definite goal and work on it daily, and it shall become reality. What do you want to see? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to live? Where do you want to be? What do you want to do? Just sit down and give yourself time. Time to think about where you want to go. Time to think about what you want to see. Time to think about where you want to be. Time to think about what you want to do. In the next 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, or even 10 years, if God gives you the chance to live again. I always compare life with ship. Life is like a ship. Without having a definite destination, you would probably get lost on the sea. Falling is not failing, and failing is not falling. But it is when you fall and refuse to get up, it is what we call failure. I don't know the definition for success, but I know the definition for failure. That is, try to please everyone. Trying to please everyone is the definition for failure. Many people have beautiful and wonderful dreams and goals, but they are afraid of what people might say if something goes wrong. Many people are living their lives today according to the standard of their friends' opinion. I want to encourage you to take a bold step in the direction in which you believe, so far as it does not contradict any of the 10 commandments of God. Nobody was born rich or poor. Everything depends on your mindset. Always feed your mind with the right information from the right books, from the right radio station, from the right TV station. If I am able to do it, you too can do it. The men who try to do something and fail are better than those who did not try to do anything but succeeded. Even if you try and fail, you have still done well. If you fail in your first attempt, never give up. Continue, persist, continue.
Safu aduane me kai boy me ne ka test to safu aduane wa jam
wani safu aduane wa jawo ho
test to
na futuo no so ya ga ya hwe ni sei kre wadam sei kre
bibia
kre ko safu aduane no apa de kre test no de na wan dibiti ana chese
wa jawo
Creation
to the wall
see the vim
see eba
What is that? Safu bafu adiana no. Any na futu. Ye show. Ye be show sa. With them.
Safu bafu chips. Safu bafu bread. Omi na udi na sa yoda. Mpacho family usika.
Thank you for watching Safubafu TV. Hope to see you. Bye bye.